Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.